first touch, get left in the dust, no room to judge. Talking is a slow child. Lips first touch.
Hey y'all, I'm back with another video. So I was on Instagram and I saw, this is just a little mirror, it's not nothing, ain't nothing in here, but so I saw on Instagram a makeup artist by the name Meg MUA. I saw her do this cute like pink and blue look. I'm like, hold up, that's cute as fuck. That technique is cool. I'm finna try it out. So yeah, this is how I got this little look. You know, she didn't do the glitter or the eyeliner, I just added that. I got inspired by her look and I'm gonna show y'all. I already went in with eyebrows. I did one half of my eye because I just wanted to try it out. This is my first time attempting this and I like how it came out. So I'm gonna show y'all this pink and green
Cosmo and Wanda's Sour Patch Kids Watermelon Princess eye look, okay?
little cut crease glitter look. I'm gonna go in with a voiceover instead of a talk through just so I can get it done faster, because I don't want to make like a 50-minute long video for y'all. I want to make something like simple to the point, something that everybody can understand. And yeah, I'm really excited. I think it came out cute. I can't wait for the finished product. You know, I got my little inches on, so I'm feeling real confident, okay? But anyways, yeah, I'm gonna come back with the eye look. Thank y'all for visiting me once again. You know, I'm gonna be on here a lot more, so get used to me. Hey y'all, so we're gonna jump right in. I'm going in with the Louise base in Rumour 2. And I really recommend this company. They have a great base for eyeshadows, so please do go check it out. This base is really great, especially when you're going in with bright colors. When you want to get the right color payoff, this is going to do the job. I'm going to go ahead and go in with my Anastasia setting powder, and I'm going to set the base because my eyes do crease so much. And now I am going in with the Morphe James Charles palette and the Morphe 18B Makin Bank palette. I'm going to start with the color Daddy and the color Dollar Dollar. And now I am going in with another brush. I'm going to take the color Social Blade and I'm going to start blending out that dark green with a lighter green.
Choose your fighter.
Lightning inspired. Fight.
As you can see, I've been going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth with all the colors, making sure that I do get a seamless blend, something that I'm comfortable with. And getting a seamless blend is something that's very important when dealing with bright colored shadows like this. So I'm now jumping in with the Prism Makeup Supreme Chaos palette, and I'm going to use the color Radical, this beautiful hot pink. Just to spice up the pink a little bit, I'm going in with a little bit of red, the shade called You're Kidding. And to blend that out, I'm going in with the pink shade called Skip. And I showed this just to give an example of how when it's kind of patchy, I just go in with some more of the P. Louise base, just a little bit, the leftover on my hand. I'm just gonna cover that up, and then I'm going back in with the shade to make it opaque.
Fight.
Since the pink is so hot, I'm gonna go in with Pinkity Dinkity, and I'm gonna blend that out even more. And since the green is so hot, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with B just to blend out that green. And now y'all, to remove the makeup on my eye for the cut crease, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with some coconut oil and some Q-tips, just because I don't have any makeup remover with me at the moment. And this is a great substitute when you're trying to remove some makeup, especially some eyeshadow.
Choose your fighter.
Slightly inspired. Fight.
So I'm just taking my time cutting that crease. I do have hooded eyelids, so I do cut the crease above my crease, because if I'm just looking at you, you wouldn't be able to see that look. You would only be able to see it if I'm looking down. So I'm jumping in with that P. Louise once again, priming with the base to go in for some more shadow. So after setting it with the setting powder, I'm going in with Dollar Dollar and Daddy. And I'm taking Radical, and then I'm gonna also put that on the inner corner.
Choose your fighter.
Slightly inspired.
So after I blend that to my liking, I'm gonna go ahead in the color Flashback, just a white, to cover that base. Y'all, it's glitter time, and I go in with the Duo Lash Glue, the transparent one. It looks like white, but it's really transparent. And then I'm going in with the NYX Gold, the glitter. I'm lining right where I want that cut to be. And I'm going in, I'm gonna apply the glitter right where I applied the glue. I'm just taking a brush, no product, just to dust off the excess, and I'm going in with my favorite liner, the NYX Matte Liquid Liner. And I'm just gonna do a simple wing for part 1. Now I'm going in with the sheet makeup pink liner. Y'all, do not sleep on this liner, please. It was like, had to be $1. Had to be $1. And it's, I'm sorry, it's better than the NYX, y'all. Better than the NYX, dare I say. Yes, y'all, thank the Lord. This look is going good. I come back with my face on. And I'm taking Bamboo from the MAC Semi Sweet x9 palette just for a brow bone shade. So after I'm done blending all of this out, I'm gonna go ahead and put some glue on my lashes. I'm taking the iEnvy Luxury Mink 3D lashes in Cayman 10. And then I'm gonna hit my bottom lash line with some Radical just to give it some pizzaziana. I'm gonna hit my upper and lower water lines with the LA Girl Shockwave Neon Eyeliner in Blackout.
Choose your fighter.
Now that the lashes are tacky, I'm gonna take my tweezers and apply them.
Inspired. Fight.
We are approaching the end. I'm so excited. I'm taking my Maybelline waterproof mascara and just gonna apply one coat of that to my top and bottom lashes. So it's final finale razzle dazzle time. I'm taking the Fenty Beauty Killawatt Freestyle highlighter in Hustler Baby, and this is gonna have me looking snatched, you know, soleil, highlight on Folique. I'm gonna put that on my brow bone and my inner corner.
Choose your fighter.
Flaky inspired. Fight.
Now I'm taking the Urban Decay De-Slick Setting Spray. Gonna have my skin feeling like skin again, you know, have it refreshed after a long day of beating my face. Yeah, you know, you really just gotta trust the process. This is VoiceOver Tati signing out, handing it over to Real Life Tati. So I'm back. This is the finished look. I've fixed my hair, put on earrings. Wanted to show y'all my lip combo really quick before this video ends. Same lip Crayon Bite Beauty in Cognac, and I used the Black Radiance Perfect Tone Matte Lip Cream. This is 5403. I'm not sure if it has a color, but this is the one. And then I used the Bath & Body Works CO Bigelow Mentha Shimmer tint in Bare Mint. Super bomb. Look, honestly, y'all, trust the process. It might seem scary, but you know, you just gotta keep going with it. Practice makes perfect. Trust me, this was a scary look for me to do it on camera for the first time, but I'm actually happy with how it came out, even though, you know, it's not necessarily 100% perfect, but I'm really happy with how it came out. I think it looks kind of nice. All right, thank y'all so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, share, notification bell, everything, you know. Catch me in the next one.